In this video, you'll add an ordered and unordered list to your cake blog post. Now, lists are an important factor in usability because it helps users find what they're looking for quickly. Internet users don't read web pages like they read books. They skim. It's like looking at a billboard. The bullets or numbers help them skim and find things they're looking for faster, and that's why lists are important. It helps them find the information they're looking for faster so they don't go to that back button and leave your web page. So we're optimizing for users through lists. So what we're going to do here is we still have our favorite cakes. So let's add an H2. Let's see, best cakes. Now let's make an ordered list. So let's have our top 3 cakes. So our first cake, as I said, German chocolate. Yes. Now our next one is red velvet. And our third one will be, how about ice cream? Ice cream cake. So good. Had that for my birthday last year. So now when our user looks at the web page, can easily find what are the best cakes. Number 1, German chocolate. 2, red velvet. 3, ice cream. Simple. So now let's make another list for cities I've had cake. And this will be an unordered list because order doesn't matter here. In the first list, we were listing our top 3 cakes where order matters because ice cream cake is not better than German chocolate cake. But here we're listing cities we've had cakes and the order doesn't matter. So let's say Houston, Austin, and New York City. All great places, but order doesn't matter here. So in this video, you learned how to implement ordered and unordered lists for your cake blog post. You learned that using lists frequently on your web page is an important factor in making your content easier for users to find. Now in the next video, you'll put everything you learned so far together for your first coding challenge, where you'll build a web page about the dream cars that you'll own someday.